What if I told you that this fragile creature once had to melt into a living liquid before it could ever take flight? Imagine for a moment a soft green caterpillar, its entire existence devoted to a single purpose: to eat. It munches on leaves all day, a tiny, crawling engine of consumption. Then, one day, it stops. It hangs itself upside down, still and silent. Inside that shell, a truly strange and wondrous event unfolds. It is the astonishing story of the butterfly. So what exactly is this creature that emerges from such a radical transformation? At its core, a butterfly is an insect, a member of a vast and wonderfully diverse group of animals. Butterflies belong to a specific order called Lepidoptera, which means scale wings in Greek. This name perfectly describes their most defining feature. Their wings are covered in thousands upon thousands of tiny, overlapping scales. These microscopic structures create breathtaking colors and intricate patterns, each one pigmented or shaped to reflect light in a particular way, painting a masterpiece of light and color. Butterflies share Lepidoptera with moths, but there are simple ways to tell them apart. Most butterflies are active during the day, while moths are typically nocturnal. A butterfly's antennae are thin with a small club at the end, while a moth's are often feathery or saw-edged. Butterflies usually fold wings upright. Moths rest with wings spread flat. Their bodies are divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. 6 legs and antennae attach to the thorax with powerful wing muscles. To feed, a butterfly uses a long, straw-like proboscis. Despite their fragility, butterflies are vital pollinators and sensitive indicators of ecosystem health. The life of a butterfly is a carefully orchestrated performance in 4 distinct acts: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, adult, each stage with a unique purpose and appearance. A masterpiece of survival strategy. The journey begins with the egg. After mating, the female seeks the right host plant. She lays tiny eggs, sometimes in clusters or singly on leaves or stems. From this fragile beginning comes the larva, the caterpillar. Its primary job: eat and grow, storing energy for transformation. As it grows, it molts several times. Each new stage is called an instar. It may increase body mass by thousands of times. Fully grown, it finds a hidden spot and secures itself to a twig or leaf. It sheds its skin one last time, revealing the chrysalis. From the outside, still. Inside, a hive of activity. Metamorphosis breaks down and rebuilds the body. A profound reorganization, hidden from view. Days or weeks later, the adult is ready. It pushes and struggles, breaks the chrysalis open, and crawls out, transformed. Wings are soft and folded. It pumps hemolymph through veins to expand and stiffen them. Once hardened, it takes its first flight. The adult seeks nectar, searches for a mate, and lays eggs to start the symphony again. Inside the chrysalis, enzymes digest most larval tissues into a rich cellular soup. Imaginal discs, dormant since the egg, awaken and build legs, eyes, antennae, and wings. Butterflies may seem delicate, but they possess remarkable abilities. One is vision. They perceive ultraviolet light invisible to us. Many flowers hide UV patterns, glowing nectar guides to a sugary meal. Some species migrate vast distances. The monarch is the most famous. Each autumn, millions from the US and Canada begin a perilous flight south. They navigate to mountain forests in central Mexico, places they've never been. The journey can cover up to 3,000 miles. No single butterfly returns. Several generations complete the cycle. Camouflage can make them disappear. Leaf wings mimic dead leaves perfectly. Mimicry protects others. The non-toxic viceroy looks like the toxic monarch. So birds that avoid monarchs also avoid viceroys. Their most important superpower: pollination. Pollen rubs off at the next flower, enabling seeds and fruit. This service sustains countless wildflowers and entire ecosystems. From meadows to forests, the partnership of flower and butterfly thrives. Evolution's brilliance. A master of accumulation becomes a master of dispersal. By separating functions across life stages, they minimize competition with themselves. A two-part life, resilient and exquisitely adapted. Vision, migration, camouflage and mimicry, pollination, their real-world superpowers. Proof that delicate can also mean extraordinary. The world of butterflies is a dazzling kaleidoscope of color, pattern, and form. Over 17,500 species, each a unique work of art. Let us meet a few living jewels, the magnificent blue morpho of Central and South American rainforests. Its wings, spanning up to 8 inches, shine metallic blue. The color comes from microscopic structure, refracting light to shimmer. In flight, it flashes like a shard of fallen sky. The iconic Monarch, a symbol of resilience and endurance. Deep orange, crisp black borders, speckled in white. Its warning colors signal toxicity gained from milkweed as a caterpillar. Beloved traveler and emblem of nature's grand cycles. The ethereal glasswing, its wing membranes are almost perfectly transparent. Lacking colorful scales, you can see right through them. It seems to appear and disappear like a tiny ghost, camouflage perfected. In European and Asian gardens, the stunning peacock butterfly. Threatened, it snaps open wings to reveal vivid eye spots. The display mimics the eyes of a larger animal, enough to deter attack. Rich reds, iridescent blues, and sunlit yellows, dazzling beyond the tropics. Together, they showcase nature's incredible artistry. Jewels best admired in flight, alive, wild, and free. For all their beauty and resilience, butterflies face growing threats. In many places, their fluttering forms are fading. Some species are now at serious risk of disappearing forever. Habitat loss, cities expand, meadows are plowed, forests felled, wetlands drained. Without host plants and nectar-rich flowers, life cycles fail. Climate change shifts timing and ranges. Droughts, floods, and storms wipe out populations. Herbicides remove wildflowers. Insecticides kill caterpillars and adults. Landscapes grow clean, uniform, and hostile to pollinators. Butterflies are canaries in the coal mine of our planet. Their decline warns that the ecosystems we depend on are under immense strain. The news can feel overwhelming, but it is not a story without hope. There is still time to help. Plant flowers, gardens, window boxes, even a few pots can be vital refueling stations. Choose native plants. Plant milkweed to help the struggling monarch. Avoid pesticides and herbicides. A living garden is a healthy garden. Support conservation, restore habitats, advocate for urban green spaces. Be a citizen scientist. Your observations help track their health. Teach a child, share a story, inspire someone to care. A butterfly is a pollinator, a link in the food web, an indicator of vitality. If you love the wild and the wondrous, help it thrive. Plant one flower. Sometimes the most delicate wings carry the strongest messages.